Good afternoon, YouTube friends. My name's Jackie and welcome back to Gone Potty Gardening. It's finally stopped raining, so I've come out in the polytunnel to sort out my garlic. I've already got some in, like I said last time, but I need to get the rest put in. And also, I've been soaking some ginger, so I want to get that planted today. I've got a couple of long troughs that I'd like to put them in, so yeah, I'm going to do that, and that'll be a good job done today. So this is just shop bought ginger, and you can see the little stems on the end. That's where they start to shoot when they do flower. So this is some ginger that they had reduced in the shop the other week. So yeah, I thought I'd do some. So I've put some in the tray like that, and some of the bunches are bigger than others, but ideally there's some really nice ones in there. So I've got two trays like that. And now ginger takes about 10 months to shoot and be fully grown, you know, so because it's winter, it's obviously not going to do a lot over the winter, but at least I've planted it. I'm going to cover it with some wire so no mice get in here, because we are in the country and we do get mice, so yeah. So I'm going to cover it. So they'll probably be a couple of inches deep in the soil. But that'll be plenty. I did try to grow some last year, but it wasn't very successful because I didn't look after it very well. It needs to stay quite wet. So yeah, I'll have to nurture it a bit better this year. And what I'm going to put on top in a minute is some of that vermiculite. Because it probably more than likely will get a bit of algae on the top over the winter in here, so yeah. There's a bit more on that bit there, look. Let's fill the other one up. So I'm going to put some of this vermiculite in there. This helps germination of any seeds or anything, keeps the moisture and nutrients in. But this is from the chimney, so I didn't waste it, I just kept it for gardening. So now I'm just going to put some on top of here. Feels like cork. I bet your life some bloody mouse will get in there and kick it all out. Yeah, so that's that one done. I feel better now that I've done that, because that's one job off my mind anyway. And yeah, they're not going to peek through till the spring, but yeah, I'm still in the midst of clearing this lot out. We've had a couple of storms, it's been pouring, but now you know, I kind of like doing jobs and clearing as I go, sort of thing. All the compost in these pots I'm going to recycle, add some probably chicken manure to it, and add it on top of the beds. So I've got lots of good ideas this year for the garden. I've got some guttering that I want to put up around the back as well for strawberries, and we have got a strawberry plant, so I'll be able to put them in there. But I'll probably wait until the spring till they start shooting up, and then I'll plant them into the gutters. Yeah, I'm excited to get going now, you know. A lot of clearing up, but actually that's quite nice. It's nice to see it finished when you've been at it for a few hours. I've also been sorting out my garlic, the elephant garlic. Some is in the veggie pods, but it's been a bit late getting them in because the ground is saturated, so the fields behind, you know, we've got big floods in there. But yeah, today I was sorting these out. So I've got 3 varieties, which that's mild and sweet flavour, and these are from West Cork, so they'd be good in this climate, I would imagine. And these little cards that come with them, these are cards on the front. I'm going to laminate, and I'm going to like tack it to a piece of stick on the bed so I know exactly what they are. If I laminate it, that'd be fine. Let's see what else we got. White Casablanca. It doesn't say where they're from. I did get some from the shop, just normal garlic from the shop, which I've left in the outhouse actually, but there's some more. And these pink Gemador, I've got some of those to plant as well. The trouble is, like I said before, all the beds need clearing with weeds, and it's been really wet, so I'm just gonna have to crack on with that and get that sorted out and get it done. I'm trying out a new vlogging camera, so hopefully it works all right. I'm not using the Rode mics at the moment, they're on charge, but yeah, I hope it looks all right. It's a little Pocket 3. I don't know if any of you've seen them. They're brilliant, really good. Little tiny screen, but you can see exactly what you're vlogging. So yeah, really excited to use that, and hopefully some really good audio to go with it. What I'd like to do this year is I'd like to dry some of the garlic we, you know, grow. It'd be good. We never did that. We've never done that, I don't think, actually, no. We've got a little dresser unit indoors, and we're going to put all herbs that we grow ourselves, dry them and put them on there. It would be really nice. But yeah, some garlic powder. Although I've noticed, you probably have as well, that, well, especially where we live, the damp and stuff, but garlic powder sticks together. It's not very good in a container usually. So we freeze it in a little bag and use it from the freezer, which works just as well. It's brilliant, really. What's your favourite garlic to grow? I want a garlic that gives a great big bulb, not elephant garlic, but what's the biggest normal garlic that you've grown that grows to a big size? Love to know. Let me know in the comments. What I must get started now as well is the sweet pea. Yeah, I must get that started as well. Yeah, ready for the spring. I forgot about that. Whoops. So most of my jobs this week is just going to be clearing up and weeding and getting them garlic put in. So there's quite a lot to do. Like I say, planting's been a bit delayed because we've had so much rain. I think everyone has this year. It's just sodding the ground. But yeah, I know in this cold weather none of us do want to get out by the fire or by the warmth, but you see the benefits in the spring if you just make that effort and get going. Yeah, so I feel good that I done that. Anyway, that's just a short little video, and yeah, I'll catch up with you when I'm in the garden next time, which will be soon because I've got loads to do. Look after yourselves, keep warm, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.